The first fact, change this line into a comment. Sun Microsystems announced the release of Java in 1995. So if you guys recall, when using comments in Java and actually in JavaScript as well, they're exactly the same. It's just forward slash. Okay, so let's quickly run that. Okay, so now I see I'm getting an error here. Right, so number 2, our program is still broken. Use the multi-line syntax to make these lines into single comment. James Gosling, root of 2. You should still see your fun language printed. Right, so if you guys recall, forward slash, asterisk, asterisk, backslash, asterisk, forward slash for multi-line comments. So if you run that, there you can see that what has been commented out. And this is what prints to the console. Okay, let's move forward. Alright, semicolons and white space. So semicolons and white space. Instructions number 1. The language facts.java file prints information about Java to the screen. Unfortunately, the writer of the file has avoided using white space. Make the file easier to read by adding a new line after each statement. Okay, as you can see, the code here is all clumped up together. Definitely not user friendly. You can't read this. It's not readable at all. I'm just gonna space it out. It's very important that your code is structured properly and that there's enough spacing between your groups of code and functions and so on and so forth, especially if you're in a group with other programmers or in a team with other programmers and they would like to read your code. So yeah, it needs to be readable for them as well. You don't want to make it inconvenient for them and then they just don't want to get looked at in a bad light. So make it as user friendly as possible. And that's not the only reason. There's other reasons as well. I mean, especially if there are students out there that want to learn and then they just look at the code and then they just think to themselves, no, I can't even understand what's going on yet because everything is clumped up together. So alright, let's move on. I'm going to quickly run that. Okay, so number 2, inside main, add a new statement printing how you feel about coding. Start the message with programming is. Okay, so we're going to start off in line. So programming is a great way to learn. So let's programming is a great way to learn how to build websites. Okay, great. And don't forget your semicolon. I'm going to quickly run that. Okay, there you go.